Okay, so we're going to be making a traditional pound cake today, and so our baker in charge is Eli. Say hello to the camera, Eli.
Hello.
All right, Eli is going to show us how to do the first step. The first step is to preheat our oven. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which we have done. So Eli, give us a big check mark. Check. And now the second step is to grease your pan. So today we're using the old-fashioned method of wiping Crisco into our bundt pan. Because this is a bundt pan, you want to make sure you get Crisco in all of the cracks and crevices so that your cake will not stick. And make sure you get the middle part, which is called the flute. And there's Mary Catherine, our assistant baker, the sous chef.
Hi!
All right, we're going to stop here and we'll be back once this pan is greased. See you in a bit.
This recipe requires 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of sugar. 2 cups of sugar. It is room temperature butter, and we can use salted butter to give our cake a little bit more taste. The next ingredient we are going to put in is sugar. We need 2 cups of sugar. I have already put 1 in, and this is my second. I'm Eli's chef today, and I am Mary Catherine. We're gonna mix our sugar for 2 minutes and butter. We are gonna mix it till it's light and fluffy.
One.
Next ingredient is eggs. We have 9 eggs to put in this cake. Here's a tip. Crack your eggs into a different bowl so you don't put eggshell into your cake. Recipe, you need to put each egg in 1 at a time and mix until combined. There are 9 eggs in this cake. It's gonna take a while. We will be back in just a minute. When dealing with raw eggs, you should wash your hands in between and clean up your space. This recipe requires 3 1/4 cup of flour. Here is a tip. Use the flat side of a butter knife to scrape off your top of flour. Ta-da! Our recipe did not require sifting our flour, but we are going to sift the flour so we can add extra air so our cake will rise better. Next, we're going to add in the flour by pouring it in slowly. Scrape the sides as needed. It smells delicious. This is a very basic recipe, so you can jazz it up however you want. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. for jazzy, we are adding a teaspoon almond extract as well. What's cake without sprinkles? The next step is to pour our batter into our prepared pan. After you pour the batter, you're going to spread it out evenly with your spatula. It's time for baking. Now we're going to put our cake into our preheated oven and cook it for 70 to 80 minutes. So here we have it, our finished pound cake. Ta-da! Ta-da! This cake stares beautifully with strawberry and whipped cream. Here we have some healthy whipping cream that will make me show you how to make whipped cream one day. Now it's time for cake. Tea. The cake was delicious, but we got some tips from Mom to make it better next time. Mom's tip number 1, flour your pan. Mom's tip number 2, cook it for less, the recipe says. Tip number 3. Tip number 3. Remove the cake from the pan within 20 minutes.